How to install the two-legged pullback indicator on your computer. After purchasing and downloading the two-legged pullback indicator, you can go to Tools, Import, and then go to Ninja Script add-on. From here, navigate to the folder where you downloaded the indicator, select it, and go ahead and press open. You should get a notice that says that the script has been successfully installed. Go ahead and press OK. Once you install the indicator, you can add the indicator onto your chart by going to the indicator icon up here, or simply press Ctrl-I. Once the indicator window is open, you can locate the newly installed indicator by scrolling down and finding it in the list of indicators. The indicators are in alphabetic order, and so here we find a two-legged pullback. To add it to your chart, you can double click it, and now we can see that it appears on the bottom left of the window here, showing you that it's been added to the chart. Once you add it to the chart and press OK, you will see that there is no indicator here. You might even get a warning message. Even after adding the indicator, you'll see that it is not yet here. That's because you need to get it licensed. In order to get it licensed, you simply go back to the command center. Once here, you can go to Help, go to Third-Party Licensing, and this window should pop up. In order to get this unique ID, you need to put in the vendor name two-legged pullback. It is case sensitive, so notice that there's a capital T, capital L, and a capital P. For the user-defined ID, you can input your name here. Notice I did not put any spaces. If you put a space, you will get an error. And so you must put your name here with no spaces. Remember to provide a name that we can connect with your purchase. Once you've filled out these two fields, go ahead and press Submit. Once you press Submit, NinjaTrader will provide you with your unique ID. Now that you have your unique ID, you can send this to us via email at support@twoleggedpullback.com. Once you send this unique ID to us via email, it might take 1 to 2 days for us to validate the license. Once validated, we will notify you, and that's it. Once your license is validated, you are able to use the two-legged pullback indicator.